my contractor, he came to see me. So he said, want to share with me good news. I said, what is it? He said, you want to talk about Jesus Christ. I said, how long you have become Christian? He said, 2 years. I said, I was Christian from year 16, 16 years old. So he said, which church you go to? I have not decided yet. Come to my church lah. I said, where is it? He said, Likas, this SIB Likas. Because that time, only SIB Likas is English. The rest all Bahasa. So, that after a few years, some of them came out, the boys not so me. We started the SIB Heritage. You know Heritage? SIB Heritage. So we have been there since then lah. But over the last year, I want to share this with you. Because for us Christians, if God bless us, we know the goodness of God, we must share. So what happened was, I was diagnosed prostate cancer, stage 2, in year 2012, 10 years ago. April in 2021, I did my annual, and so the PSA when they diagnosed me was 37. In April, after my annual test, it came out 79. I went for vaccination in May. In September, I cannot urinate. Very painful, cannot urinate. So my son was taking me to church. At the same time, I kena COVID. Same time. I was confirmed COVID positive in 16th of September, Malaysia Day. So admitted to hospital. In October, they take my test. The PSA was 290.96. In January last year, it went down to 9.26. The doctor asked me, how come you go down so fast? I said, I don't know. I should be asking you, you're the doctor. But I did not say like it's God. Now, my PSA is 0.49. Yeah, when I was admitted to hospital for COVID, the doctor said you have to stay 10 to 14 days. I said, okay. On the 8th day, they discharged me. The doctor from my Sejahtera, the Chinese lady, she called me, I'm arranging oxygen for you. I said, no, I don't need oxygen. She said, how can you in stage 4? I said, yeah, but I don't need. I said, can I call you on video? She said, yes. After I call her, then she believed. On my discharge, the discharge note says, final diagnosis is corona COVID-19, stage 4, but never having required oxygen. Because normally stage 4, your lung already affected.
You will even be ventilated?
No.
Yeah,
nothing.
but for that stage,
Yeah.
you require ventilation.
Protected. The virus did not enter my chest, but they want to confirm. I took the X-ray in the Durian clinic, so come out clear. Then the worst, I got a series of bacteria because of a very catheter. Every 2 weeks you change, you get a bacteria, different bacteria. But the last one I got was E. coli, which is common, but there are 4 strains, which is, they call it antibiotic resistant.
Yeah.
I got one of them. So it's very bad. The urine is very smelly. You have no strength, no energy. I cannot even walk, and then no appetite. I lost 10 kilos during that time. So what happened? I prayed to God. I talked to God. I said, Father, if you want me to stay here, take away my pain. Otherwise, you take me home. Then, because I followed our daily bread, that morning, the passage is on what, Paul in the prison asking God to remove his pain.
Yeah, exactly.
What did God say? God say, my grace is sufficient for you. Of course, before that, we have read this many times, but you don't understand. But that time, I understood. What God means, He didn't have to do anything. I just had to go through maybe another 2 or 3 days, it's go off. Which is true, went off. It's true. After 2 or 3 days, it went off. Then I became well. And this was not that, according to the medical world, this infection, no cure. There's no cure for this infection, but God cured me.
Amen.
Yeah, because the doctor in QE1, young Chinese doctor, my son took me there for my prostate review. But he looked at my record, he said, I want to do something for you. I said, what is it? You have to stay 7 days in the hospital. I said, no problem. I got to isolate you in a single room. They put me in the VIP room. On the 9th day, I was discharged. So I told him, I talked to him, friendly lah. Said it didn't work, right? Because I went to GMC, do the intravenous one,
Yeah.
didn't work. 7 days also didn't work. They come out resistant. So I just say like that. You know how he answered me? No, you only have 30% left. 1 week later, no more. Because hospital appointment is 3 months. I cannot wait. After 1 week, I went to the private one, got the result, clear.